the requirement is the person who is working on this demo incident, that person is actually keeping this demo incident record is in on hold state. As soon as he provides on hold state, right, he has to provide why is he keeping in on hold state. He has to provide the justification, and then he has to provide the date. So till which date it should be on hold? Till 16th date it should be on hold. So on the 17th date, it should automatically go to in progress state without any manual intervention. Do you understand?
Yeah, clear, Uday. Thank you. Yeah.
So is that clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what I will do is I will actually fire the event on this particular day. I will fire the event on this particular day. So whatever the date that you have taken here, right? On this particular date, I will actually fire the event. Understand? Okay. So now what I am going to do is I am going to create a business rule here. I am going to create a business rule here. Okay. Here you will check advanced checkbox. Here you will use after update, and you will also keep the condition as state is state changes to on hold. Okay. So here what I am doing is I am actually firing an event using gs.eventqueue. Event name back to in progress demo dot incident. So this is the event that I am firing. Current, comma. Okay, this event name I am going to create. This event name I am going to create the event registry. Okay, I have just created an event. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to create a script action. Back to in progress. So we have to write a glide record on demo incident table. Okay. grinc dot add query sysid comma current dot sysid. So this script action will have current object access. grinc dot query if in progress.
Event name we should change.
Yeah. So event name, uh, back to in progress demo incident. Okay. So now try to understand the thing clearly, guys. Now try to understand the things clearly. Here, I am actually passing the event name, object name, param1, param2. I can also pass fifth parameter. I can also pass fifth parameter here. So when you can pass fifth parameter, when you are using event queue scheduled. So event queue is different, event queue scheduled is different. Okay. I am going to use event queue. I am going to use event queue scheduled. So event queue scheduled will actually fire the event at specified time. Event queue scheduled will actually fire the event at specific time. Okay. Event queue schedule. So on which date, on this particular date, right? Whatever the date that you selected here, right? On this particular date, the event should be fired. Then what I am doing here is current dot so on this particular date the event will be fired. Okay, so now let me just show you. I am just refreshing this demo incident. Okay, so now I am just creating the record. Once I create the record, so the assigned person will start working on this one. What he will do, he will actually keep it in on hold. When he keep it in on hold state, he must provide the on hold reason. He must also provide the back to in progress date as well. Suppose he is actually providing the back to in progress date as 23. So on 23 date, the state field should automatically go to in progress state. So now I am actually updating this particular as record as on hold state. Once it is in on hold state, this business rule will be triggered. Didn't we save this one? Array. This is not the one which we have to update. This business rule is not the one which we have to update. This is the business rule which we have to update actually. Okay. Now let me just save this one. So it got automatically kept. Okay. Now it should fire an event. It should fire an event. So once the event is fired, you can actually check those event logs here, right? See, this event is fired. So here, if you take a look at here, process on. So on 23rd, this event will be fired. Event is triggered, but event is not fired. Do you guys understand the difference between triggering and firing?
Yes, Uday.
Okay. So on this 23rd date, it will fire the event. Once the event is fired, this script action that we created, right? Where is that? the script action that we created, right? The script action will be triggered. Once the script action is triggered, this line of script will be executed. It will keep the record state in progress automatically. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So in the event log, if you take a look at here, this is actually the event that is fired. If you take a look at here, for rest of the events, process on time, process dates, process time, both are same. Process on time and process time both are same for different previous events. So let us take our previous event. So this one, create demo incident task. See, process on time, process time, both are same. But here you have only process on time. So this will be processed on this particular date. Once this is actually processed on this particular date, the date will be updated here. Okay. You guys are able to understand, right? When do we fire the script actions? When do we fire the script actions? How do we fire the script actions? What is the purpose of script actions? Clear?
Yes, Uday, now this event will fire on 23rd March, right?
Yes.
So till that time, we should wait whether it will trigger or not. Like
No.
after that only we can check, right, whether the script is
Yes.
executed perfectly.
So
or not.
maybe. So Uday, so
Yes.
maybe testing point of view, or maybe so today test if we'll put, what will happen, Uday?
So let us do one thing. Let us do one thing. Today's date is actually 3rd, right? So here, when you are providing the date, so what time is today? 19th/08/46. Maybe after maybe after 1 minute we will give. Let me just go back again. I'm just moving back. Okay, now I'm actually going back to on hold state. So I'm selecting 21.
That is hours, right? 21.
Oh my God. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, 21 is on.
You are showing 19 before.
Hmm. 15 minutes, right? Okay. So now business rule will be triggered, and that business rule will fire the event. Once it fires the event, you can actually check those logs in the event logs. So just now. So 2 minutes from now. So if we wait for 2 minutes, the script action will be triggered. Once the script action is triggered, the state will be automatically set as in progress state. Okay, now we are actually 44th, right? 8 a.m. 44 minutes. So in 2 minutes, the event will be fired. Once the event is fired, you can check the process time as well. So this process time is not yet updated. Less than a minute from now. So the state should become automatically in progress. It says this event is not yet fired.
I think you had selected wrong date.
Hmm? Wrong data.
Yes, sir. 0203 we have selected.
That is actually system data, I believe. Yeah, now it is actually processed. Now it is processed. We will check. See, the demo incident record state is automatically updated as in progress, right? System has modified this field value to in progress. See, whatever the time that you specified, the script action is actually triggered on the time, and then it has run the script. That script is actually, the script has actually made the state as in progress state again. Do you understand?
Yes, Uday.
Okay. Events wise, you are clear, right? ServiceNow events.
Yeah.